What is this one?
We have cereal prawns. We have.
Okay, I'll do a small prawns. All right, so we are at Mandarin Sky Restaurant. We're taking a gamble because there's no reviews for this place. It just opened, so we'll see. We'll see how it is. I ordered the prawns, some kind of prawns, and yeah, they're very aggressive here with the ordering. They give you no time. You sit down and they stand there and they're like, hey, we got this, we got this. But that's okay. Tea's okay? Thank you. Alright, let's try the hot and sour soup.
It looks good.
Yeah, that's good. I like it. My favorite hot and sour soup place shut down. Rest in peace. First Walk, Bloomington, Minnesota. But yeah, this is good. It's fresh. Alright, the hot and sour soup here is pretty good. And the beef and broccoli. Red rice, that also looks really good. Thank you. And the young chow fried rice. Everything came out really quick. And it looks pretty damn good. Soup's good so far. Yeah, I think we got plenty of food.
You want some chili oil?
Yes. A little chili oil on the side. Alright. Yep, it's solid. I'll have to leave them their second review or third review. There was like one review when I looked this place up. But I think this place just opened, right? It says now open on the front, so. Although it is strange that they don't give you chopsticks here. But I get it. They don't really use chopsticks in the Philippines. It's fork and knife. Or I'm sorry, fork and spoon, and the spoon is the knife. Alright, this looks pretty fantastic. And this is the, what is this? Fried garlic prawns. Garlic fried prawns. Looks amazing, very pretty. They give you the heads, which is nice. Thank you. Oh, these look really good. Well, so far so good. Alright, chili garlic prawns. That is amazing. So good. It's pretty phenomenal so far. Every dish has been better than the last. And shrimp is, yeah, I'm into it. Shrimp heads. I like that. This part's a little hard, but shrimp brain or whatever. Everything tastes fresh. I said everything tastes fresh. I'm into it. Let's try their Coca-Cola, see how that is. Some good Coke. I'm just kidding. I don't know what else to say. This place is like what, a 5-minute drive from us, and it's amazing. Which is good because I was scared with the, the no reviews or whatever. We've eaten at a couple places that had really good reviews, but that wasn't very good. Oh yeah. The Vietnamese place we got food from was terrible. No, it was, and it had really good reviews. And then we got it, and it was, everything except for the spring rolls was pretty inedible, right? Like we kind of each took a bite and we were like, what the hell? More soup, please. This place is so good. You eat the shells of the shrimp. I'm gonna eat some more of this too. And how did they even cook it that fast? It was like 4.5 minutes and our food was here. It's crazy.
Yeah, we're gonna grab this one.
Shrimp head. Man, that shrimp head and that in there. Oh. Fantastic. Just look at that. Oh, so good. I just spilled all over the table. Sorry. The chili oil here's good too. Little chili oil on the shrimp. A little bit of its sauce. What is that sauce? It's good. Some kind of vinegar. I don't usually eat the shells and tail of shrimp, but I don't know. This is some next level shit. They have private rooms available back there as well. So if you're thinking about bringing your family here, you can get a lot of people. It looks like there's a wedding going on or something back there. I know I say this almost every time, but this is one of the best things that I've eaten since I've been here. I'll hold off my rating until I check out the bathroom and see how that is, though. I've seen some scary ones. But it's new, I don't know how bad it could be. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. That was really good. Mandarin Sky Seafood Restaurant, Tutuban Mall. Check it out. Delicious. Alright, I gotta say something real quick. The bathrooms here are almost immaculately clean. There was a toilet seat on the toilet. It's a good thing. There was a toilet that flushed by pushing a button. You didn't have to dump a bucket of water or a tabo into the toilet to flush it, which is something that you notice a lot here in the Philippines. However, they did have that option if you choose. There was a tabo in there. What else? There was toilet paper in there, and paper towels, and soap. So, hats off to you, Mandarin Sky Chinese Restaurant. We will be returning, and if you're in the area, make sure you check it out. All right, see you at dinner.